Center in. Center out. Switch. Triple, triple, and rock. Switch. And rock.
We still turn places.
Okay? Got all that stuff. Right, so far?
So I just felt it pull me through, and when I feel a connection, I go back into place.
Right. We want to develop this nice.
Triple, rock. Triple, rock.
Nice and relaxed.
Triple, rock.
So as soon as we can get that nice rhythm in and get relaxed like this.
Nice. Wow. Now you wonder why we did so much warm-ups, right?
Yeah.
And you know why?
Because the whole dance you can do nothing but triple, triple, rock, triple, triple, rock, triple, triple, rock for the whole dance, and it works just what we got so far, right? And it works, right? All right. If you got a video last week, I'd love to have it. If you just, and the best way to do it is just text it to me, a video. That way I can create some stuff for you guys, put it up on YouTube and TikTok and all those places, and give you something to practice with, okay? So, can you get this? Can I rely on you? All right, so we're gonna do that again. If y'all want to do it with us, if you can, okay? I'm gonna try to put it, but here's what we're not doing. If you notice, we're not putting a bass in between anything. It is a straight triple, triple, and rock. 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 Triple, triple, and rock.
But when you're learning,
Yes.
guys, a lot of times you need one basic between every one of those moves to reset your brain as to what you want to lead next.
Right.
That is perfectly fine.
Right. A basic will give you time to make those changes. Triple, triple, and rock. 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 Triple, triple.
Notice when I went back in, I took my time to connect with my arm.
Triple, triple, and rock.
So I kind of bring it up, and then it settles down by the time I actually rock. Okay?
Good.
And listen, if your partner's not in sync with you, do a couple of basics, because there's no sense in throwing a move if you're not already.
If you're not in sync.
Because you want, it'll
Yeah,
be
make sure you stay in
difficult.
sync. Yep, yep. Now, ladies, whenever I'm going in let's say a switch where I'm letting go, I am always looking for your right hand. Always looking for your right hand to reconnect.
So our
Okay?
job is to reconnect, ladies.
Right.
Okay?
So if I'm ever doing this and I let go, I'm looking for that your right hand with my left hand. That's what I'm looking for, okay? So we got to make sure that is there. When she comes back around, just offer that out and I'll catch it up. Okay?
Since
So
it's a
we-
partner dance, you want to reconnect.
That's right.
Okay.
That's right. Good? All right, we'll put on the song. I want you to dance it out. We have a few minutes left. I want you to dance it out and dance what you know and get comfortable with it. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to